Now, let's discuss what you can do to prioritize healthy foods when you go out to eat. Now that we've talked about ways to prepare healthy meals and snacks at home, let's talk about eating out, or at a friend's house, or going through a drive-thru. For many people, it seems easier to control our eating at home, where hopefully fewer options are available. That said, everyone likes to eat outside of the home from time to time. It's important to have strategies that help you make the best choices for you, even when you don't have control over the food being served. Here's some tips for thinking about your portion size wisely. At some restaurants, you can consider ordering a half portion. More realistically, you can eat half of your meal at the restaurant and save the other half for tomorrow's lunch. You could also order an appetizer and eat it as an entree. This saves money as well. You can share a main dish with a friend, and most importantly, you can resign yourself from the mentality of the clean your plate club. When you've eaten enough, you can leave the rest or package it up to take home. Order an item from the menu instead of heading for a buffet as well. The other side of eating out is thinking about your calories. As we know, calories are units of energy that our body can use. We need to be mindful about how many calories we want to consume. One way to manage your calories is to think about what kind of beverage you'd like to have. Sometimes you can ask for water or order fat-free or low-fat milk, unsweetened tea, or other drinks without added sugars. You can also think about having vegetables on your sandwiches, subs, and pizza. Finally, you could ask for whole wheat bread on sandwiches. You can also start your meal with vegetables, which helps you control your hunger and feel satisfied sooner by starting your meal with the salad. You can also drink a glass of water before the meal to manage hunger, or ask for dressing to be served on the side and use only as much as you want and need. These are lots of ways to eat out healthier. So now imagine that you are in a restaurant or at one of your favorite places to eat. Think about some healthy choices that you can make. Think about what you'd want to order, and then consider what factors do you consider when making the choice of what you'd like to eat. What questions could you ask the waiter or waitress about how the food is prepared? And what are some modifications that you might make to the meal realistically to make it healthier and fit your health goals? Pause and reflect or discuss before we continue.